Let us bow our heads. All-powerful and all-merciful God, ruler of the destiny of all men and nations, grant thou that we may approach this ceremony with clean hearts, with the minds alive to the ideals it represents. God of hosts and giver of victory, we humbly beseech thee to hasten the peace that shall have no ending. Thou hast blessed our nation with freedom, with free institutions, with wondrous gifts of nature, with stalwart and devoted sons and daughters. Thou hast blessed us with the privilege and the opportunity to serve our nation as good citizens, advancing the sacred cause of justice, freedom, and democracy. Thou hast blessed us with the honor and the duty of upholding the principles set forth by our parent organization, the American Legion. Bless the American Legion and the sons of the American Legion and those who are about to join it, and that together we may serve in undivided loyalty to our country and to our God. Amen.
I always feel like I have to say it's for my father. This hat here is from the United States Army Air Corps in the Second World War. He was a kid who couldn't even speak English when his family first came to America, and he went and he fought for the United States of America in the Second World War. We are a great country. We are the greatest country on earth. This America is the greatest country ever devised on planet Earth.